Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, I focus on RSI, Relative Strength Index. So it is the most confusing indicator that is almost followed by most of the traders and investors in the stock market. For the kind attention of my viewers, this video is for educational purpose only. Always consult certified investment professional before investing in stock markets. So let me bring before you the key points before I explain you what RSI is. Relative Strength Index. It was developed by J. Wells Wilder. It is a leading momentum indicator which helps in identifying a trend reversal. It oscillates between 0 and 100, 0 being the lowest value and 100 being the highest. 0 indicates no strength and 100 indicates the highest strength. It is a latest indicator reading the expectations on the markets that are set. As I already said, it shows the relative strength of the security or the index, the commodity, crypto, etc. It is the most popular leading indicator which gives out the strongest signals during the periods of sideways and non-trending ranges. RSI is not so much applicable in a trending market day. So let me focus on those people interested how RSI is calculated. RSI is 100 being the highest value, minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS. RS is relative strength. How do you calculate RS? RS is average 14-day up closes and average 14-day down closes. Now let me give an illustration to understand the calculation of RSI. So here on my sheet you can find out exactly the RSI calculation. Now let me show you. Previous day it is 99, let us take. Yeah, from previous day to first day closing. Yeah, 99 to 100. So first day is 1 point gain, second day from 100 to 102 2 points gain, and from 102 to 105 3 point gain. So let me show you one losing day. So 107 to 103 there is a loss of 4 points. So 4 point loss. So RSI is a calculation of relative strength, that is average points gained. So total average points gained is 29 and the 14 point gain or the 14 point closing is for average calculation, that is 2.07. Average points lost, that is 10 here. So 10 divided by 14-day closing average, that is 0.714. Now we divide average point gained divided by average points lost. So we have got 2.89, and this we substitute in the formula, that is 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS to get the RSI 74.35. Now this is the typical RSI calculation. Now let me come to the second part. Let me show you one back testing from the daily market to show how RSI is being used as a indicator. Yeah, so now let me come to the studies here. I am using Zerodha's Kite platform. Why I am using Zerodha's Kite platform is it's very suitable. Now let me come to the studies. So in the studies, now suppose if I want to include RSI indicator which is already there, what I do is I go to studies, then I type RSI, RSI. See, I have already the indicator which I already put in my chart. So I am not using it once again. Yeah. Now let us set RSI. So this is for ACC stock. I am setting the RSI. So now RSI is 14-day closing average. Now how do I use the settings in the indicator? So that is important. So I go to the settings. You see the standard values I already changed. RSI line I have made it pink in color. So pink in color. So you can see pink in color. So this is the line. Next, overbought I have set it at 60. Generally the level is at 70. Since this I am using it for intraday trading, I am setting it at 60. The upper range I am setting it at 60 and the lower range I am setting it at 40. Overbought and oversold is there, I will explain you, but here I am setting it at 60 and 40. A 60 color is almost bluish color and 40 pinkish color. So you can see this is 60 and above, this is 40. So RSI I have already set. Okay. So now let me come to the methodology. Yeah. Now what RSI does is it indicates strength. If on a particular intraday ACC stock the strength is above 60, you can see above 60 only here in this region. I will mark it so that you will understand it very easily. So here above 60, here above 60, above 60, wherever this blue color is there. So whenever this starting above 60 is here. Yeah. So which indicates when it touches that line 60. So this is the 60 line here. When it touches the 60 line and goes above, it indicates strength. You can see blue color here. So now here this is the right time to buy. Yeah, and we can ride this and sell the ACC stock at very higher price. So you can get 2 to 3 point gain maybe in few minutes time. So now here it is the 5-minute chart. Usually RSI you can do it on 5 minutes charts or 15 minutes chart. Now let me come to another point. I will show you how selling is done. So here pinkish in color, RSI is below 40. So intraday we use it the range between 60 and 40. So you can see here. So this is the point. So you can sell and ride this. So you can make gains. So this is one illustration of how RSI is used for short-term intraday trading. Now let me come to how RSI can be used for longer-term trading. Yeah. So let me erase all this. Go to studies. Go to studies. Yeah, put RSI again, and I have to change here. Yeah. Let me put. It's not for intraday, 1 week. Yeah, all the chart is changing. Yeah, and RSI values for weekly and a day candle I have to change. From 60, yeah, from 60, let me put it to 80 on the higher range. And oversold, let me put it at 20. 20. So let me put it at 20. Yeah, so now everything is changed. Upper range is set at 80 and lower is at 60. So now here, let me mark now. Yeah. So we can see somewhere here at this point, RSI is reaching 80. Because that is this point. So it indicates you to sell. And nowhere else. So let me change this chart. There is not much opportunity here. Let me change the chart. Yeah, you can change to HDFC. HDFC. Okay. Let me put HDFC Bank. So now here, RSI you can see nowhere touching up. But here there is an opportunity where it touches 20. Yeah, 20 is this point. Yeah, it is oversold. Yeah, oversold here. So we can buy here at oversold point and write this to make profits. Okay, and nowhere else you can see it is reaching the overbought region. Let me check one more share. Let me take Delta Corp. Yeah. So here you can see point. Yeah, here. Let me mark it. This is the overbought. So overbought is here. So you can sell and make gains. So for intraday trading, we use the range between 40 to 60, and for weekly and daily candles we use the RSI range from 80 to 20. So why this is important? Because on intraday trading, when it reaches the overbought region, overbought on the higher side, that is at 60, we buy it. When it reaches the oversold region at 40, we sell it because it's indicating that weakness. But on a weekly chart, when it reaches the overbought, we sell it. Okay, and when it reaches the oversold on a weekly chart, we buy it. So that is a big difference between weekly and intraday chart. So this is very clear explanation on RSI. Yeah, but since RSI can be used on weekly differently and intraday differently on a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart. So therefore most of the traders are confused between overbought and oversold. How they use it for weekly chart on daily chart. So thank you for watching this episode on RSI. RSI you can use along with supports and resistance. Yeah, you can use along with supports and resistance. You cannot use it independently so that you can make very good gains. So after studying this RSI, do trade on paper. So when you get used to this indicator, since this is a very good leading indicator, you can use with the supports and resistances, pivot points, to understand and to substantiate your knowledge. So thank you for watching this episode. Keep watching. I will be providing you many more leading and momentum indicators in the future. Thank you for subscribing, and those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, thank you.